Talk to me, yeah.
Yeah, so you know when you see people on videos and you think it's all for acting and whatever, this is amazing. Like when I came in, I honest to God couldn't really walk. Like I was really in pain. Yeah, and like look.
Okay, you can.
Yeah.
That's very good. That's a good stretching.
Like I couldn't do this. I couldn't really do that. Couldn't do that.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you, you need to book. I'm not joking with you. It's not a joke. It's amazing.
Thank you very much for coming today, and thank you very much for the good work. You know, I work hard. That's Diana. Not anytime.
Silver.
Yeah, put your head here.
Then I fall asleep.
Bring your hips a little bit closer. Aye.
You wake me up.
Okay, just grab the elbow. Hold it there, please.
Yeah.
I fixed the. Oh, stay where you're at.
Okay.
Okay, stay with you. No, I don't want to stay. Black. Oh, yeah.
It's funny because I just used to always even laugh and I'll say, why are you laughing?
It's everybody, it's the same feeling. Bring your hips a little bit closer. And I laugh myself. Because people laugh, I have to go back, you know. Because it's like this. Because it's surprise. Oh!
Yeah.
Just hold that.
Thanks.
No. That's. Oh, yes. Up, face up. Say like this.
Okay.
I'm
sweating. I don't even sweat like this in the gym.
Yeah, because it's a nervous. That's a nervous sweat. It's not the work. I'm working. I should sweat. And I sweat most of the time, you know?
Yeah.
It goes
perfect. Oh, that was lovely.
That's nice.
Yeah, that was lovely.
Yeah. Relax.
Oh, that was lovely.
That was very good too. That was very good. Let me see how many people watching me now. Because I have to explain people.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you very much for watching me. If anyone on see me or to book with me, go to Instagram, Magic and Jimmy. Go to the more booking sessions there. Thank you. I will talk again. I'm not finished. I'm keep doing the work. She's very happy. I'm very happy too.
I'm very happy. Happy, Magic Jimmy, happy.
Happy like a laddie. Who was laddie? I have no idea.
We just don't know who laddie is.
It's expression. I don't know.
Yeah.
Stay where you are. Okay, stay with exactly here. I will do that. I'm sure you've seen this.
I have.
Everybody want to try this.
Yeah.
But this is very good. Oh, leave it a bit. That's it. I'm just going to stretch first to see where we are. Okay. This is 110% safe. Don't worry about it.
Oh, fuck. Oh, jeepers. That was lovely.
All vertebrates?
Yeah. It's like I'm straight again.
Yeah, you will see when you... Don't worry. Okay, perfect. Loose.
Oh, that was lovely.
That was a good knee movement. See, let me sit here. What the problem is?
This is the dodgy one.
The dodgy one? It's okay, don't worry. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's all same. Stay where you are. Stay where we are. This is different. I wish if I have somebody put a weight here, but I don't. But don't worry, I will do my best.
Yeah, get someone to sit on me.
Yeah, it's okay. I will relax. Put your hands down, please.
Oh.
Good.
Oh, jeepers.
Keep laughing.
People be like, oh my god, what is she laughing at? She's a weird top.
Hey, at least it's not crying. It's
no,
not,
that's it.
You know, that's how I'm happy, because imagine if you're screaming and everything. I don't know what's going to come near me.
No. Do come in.
Something is good.
It's brilliant.
If anyone want to book with me, go to Instagram, Magic and Jimmy.
Yeah.
In the booking session, in Instagram. Then you see my glasses. There's a lot of people type right there in the comments. Then you say, oh.
They're
Celebrate.
probably all saying what she
Yeah, Kertsasim, so Kertsasim. Fine date. I keep doing. Oh man, how many bones you have? She loves the cracks.
All I can hear is cracks, like, yeah.
Give it me. No, give it that. That's it. Give it that. Don't want. That's it. Stay. Relax. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nice one. That's the one.
That was really nice. The last one.
The last one.
Yeah. Yeah, you can feel it. Like.
Yeah. Yep. Leave it with me. No way. That's it. Oh, yeah. Whoop. Nice one. Yeah. Laugh.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
I feel like with your woman.
Yeah. Hug yourself. Okay? That's it.
Give myself a big hug.
Stay where you are. And just have a look. Yeah, that's it. Here, there. Okay. Can I have your hand here, please?
Yeah.
That's it. Give it a look. Oh, one more. Oh, that was a good one.
I said my pee, man.
Yeah, everything straight.
Yeah.
That's what we want. Nice, happy days. More. Oh. The hips, hip. Brand new. You can sit down and whoop. Nearly done.
Make sure I look good for the camera. Fix the hair.
It's okay. We work, you know.
Yeah.
Let me see here. Nice movement. Goodbye.
I feel so light.
Yeah, wow. From here?
Yeah.
There, I'm very happy.
I couldn't do that when I came in.
Whoa, from here? There. See, that's the difference, you know? Okay, stand up, please.
Yeah,
Face
I love this.
Face on the camera. Do me a favor, put your hands hold there. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Leave it to me. Okay, so where you go? Oh, okay. That's it. Hey, done.
Magic hands,
Walk
Jimmy.
around, look yourself a little bit to the shoulder, back. Guys, thank you very much. That's a good view. 208 people so far, you know. Anyone want to watch me or book with me, go to Instagram, Magic Hands Jimmy, and go to the booking sessions, and you can book it straight away. Anytime you can see my availability time there. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much for watching me. Keep watching me again. Whoa, that's a lot of views. How many others? What do you think for the day?
Oh, mate, I swear to God. No, I'm not joking with you, because you know
Talk to me, yeah?
Yeah, so, you know when you see people on videos and you think it's all for acting and whatever, this is amazing. Like, when I came in, I, honest to God, couldn't really walk. Like, I was really in pain, yeah. And, like, look.
Okay, you can.
Yeah.
That's very good. That's a good stretching.
Like, I couldn't do this. I couldn't really do that. Couldn't do that.
Yeah.
So, I'm telling you, you need to book. I'm not joking with you. It's not a joke. It's amazing.
Thank you very much for coming today, and thank you very much for the good word. You know, I work hard. That's nothing is magic, to be honest. You know, Magic Hands is my name, but really nothing magic. I just put my effort, and I do my best. Nothing else, you know. And I sweat to do work to make people happy. This is all the magics that work hard. Magic is nothing magic, like, you know, abracadabra. I work hard. I do my full body treatment to everybody, and I'm happy. You're happy. You're happy. I'm 100% happy, because I know you're gonna talk to some other friends. And friends, and that's word of mouth is the best for me. You know, I'm very happy. Guys, thank you very much for watching me. I will turn it off, and I'll be back again tomorrow at the same time in the morning.